Hi all, I am eagerly waiting for you. So today we are going to talk about how to make your every day as your perfect day by raising your vibration. Brainwave entrainment, it is one thing that a few people swear it works, a few people think it's BS and most do not understand. If you're amongst those that have heard about this before but don't know what it is or how it works, I don't blame you. Google this and you'll get a complicated scientific explanation. You'll learn about frequencies and brainwaves and how the brain works and many other things that make your head spin. I'm surprised that you aren't required to have a PhD to learn about brainwave entrainment because honestly, it feels that complicated sometimes and I'm one person who knows how to do this right. So instead of giving you another complex definition of this, with theta and gamma states, I'll ask you a basic question. Have you ever had moments in your life when you felt like you attracted good luck? Do you know what I'm talking about? You walk down the street and you feel people love you. They smile at you, nod at you, and you feel connected to those around you. You go to work and your boss is agreeable and amazing to work with. If only he'd be like this each day, you'd love your job. You meet with your friends and they're so kind and friendly and you feel so supported. Or maybe you even attract some amazing things in your life. You end up meeting an amazing person who becomes your significant other. Or some large sum of money comes from nowhere and you have no idea how this happened. Did this ever happen to you? Chances are that it did. It happened to all of us. We all have rare moments when everything seems to just work fine. In those moments, the universe falls into order and you get exactly what you want. After so many good things happen to you, you end up scratching your head and you ask yourself two questions. How the hell all of this happened after everything in my life was a frustrating mess for so long? And how can I make this happen again? The answer to both questions is simple.
You were operating on a higher vibration level.
You were in sync with the world around you, and because of this, you were attracting all that's good and joyful. It's nothing random. Maybe you, as a person, you looked and acted the same. But your energy, the rate at which the particles your body vibrated were very different. They were at an optimal rate, and because of this, instead of encountering frustration and pain and loss as we usually do, you attracted love and wealth and success. It's as simple as that. Call it however you want, but when you're on a low frequency, you are disconnected by those around you. You are disconnected from your world. You're like a piece of an engine that is not fit anymore. It causes friction. It hurts more than it helps. When you're on a high vibration, high frequency, you're like a well-tuned, well-maintained engine and everything comes to you effortless. Life works. And yes, maybe modern science can't explain this, but it's true because we are all experiencing it. Everyone from average people to CEOs experienced periods in their life where everything fell in the place where they attracted everything they ever wanted. And just like you, they've asked themselves how the heck all of this happened and what they could do for this to happen again. So where does brainwave entrainment comes into play? It's a tool. It's a tool we're so lucky to know about because it allows your brain to adapt and operate on that higher vibration level. Brainwave syncing is for the human brain what a Formula 1 pit crew is for a high-performance car. It takes even the worse out of sync brain, the one that's operating on a very low frequency and constantly attracts pain and suffering, and makes it work. It brings focus and energy and passion and increases the vibration of the user to the level where his life changes completely. It's so effective that some people call it smart drugs for the brains, or the best self-development tool that was ever created. And I believe they're right. I have noticed better results by using brainwave entrainment than anything else. Better than reading, better than journaling, better than meditation, even better than paying high-priced energy healers. This is how brainwave entrainment helps you. Behind all those fancy terms, behind all those scientific explanations that almost nobody understands, brainwave entrainment work because it raises your vibrations. They help your brain work better. They put you in sync with the universe. And they help you act at your best, attracting the right people and circumstances in your life. I mean, just imagine how your life would be if every day you'd be at your best. If every day you'd have that rare energy and focus and passion that attracts the right people and circumstances in your life. If each day, instead of pain and problems and obstacles, you'd be showered with good fortune. Imagine how you'd feel if you could manifest your most precious goal in the next 24 hours. You could attract the person you love, or attract money in your life, or maybe get that opportunity to advance at work. And now, picture a life where this happens each day, day in and day out, where good fortune is not some rare event that happens twice a year but a daily occurrence. Do you want to do this? Then I have exactly what you need. I have created a unique program designed to bring your brain to the higher frequencies we've discussed. It's plug and play. You need not do any homework with this. You need not research what different frequencies do or how to use them properly. You just play them at night or when you're resting, and it will slowly adapt and tweak your brain for the higher vibrations you want. It's like vitamin C, you listen to it and things get better, but while vitamin C will prevent you from getting colds and will improve your immune system, what I have for you will help you manifest money, love, power, or anything else that's of importance to you. So here's the deal. I call this program Manifestation Magic. It's the only program, as far as I know, that is specially designed to help you manifest what you desire in your life. Most brainwave entrainment programs are designed to just help you focus better or maybe to have more mental power. This is admirable, but I don't want you to do math faster in your head. I don't want you to be more productive. This is good, but it will still take you years to get what you want. I want you to manifest the life you desire. I want you to attract, today, the love, the success, the wealth, the prosperity that's rightfully yours. You don't have to read anything. You don't have to study. You don't have to actively participate in this. You need to use it and to let the power of brainwave syncing tweak your brain and bring it on a higher level of vibration. You download it, put it on your phone, and tonight before you go to sleep, play it. You need not do anything special. Put your headsets on, listen, and let it change it. Then soon you'll see how things are different in your life. How people are more receptive. How opportunities you've never thought about the show from nowhere. How everything feels right and you know this is your day. And with the help of Manifestation Magic, every day will be your day. Click on the link below to get started with brainwave entrainment and to manifest what you truly desire in your life. Want to start with Manifestation Magic now? Then click the link in the description to get 90% off and 3 VIP bounces including a Corona survival kit. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video.